We're briefly going to show you what not to crack seal. Okay, people see their parking lots all done when they seal coat or slurry seal, and some of the cracks are showing through and they wonder why they didn't get crack sealed. As you see here to the right, I have about an 1/8 inch crack that was never sealed previously, and on the left there's one where they put material in as well. Neither one of these should be addressed. They simply do not go all the way through the asphalt pavement pad. They come down here, you look at the standard size of a pen. A standard pen size is 1/4 inch wide. If the crack were that wide, it would absolutely be worth filling. And preferably, if it was 3/4 to 1.5 inches deep, that would make even more sense to fill it. Make sure you're getting your money's worth. So as we come down here, I'm gonna put this in vertically, and you'll see if it were down 2 inches like this 2-inch business card, you get all the material in there and it would be well worth justifying crack sealing it. "13.5 hours, 1,712 tons. Wrapping right around this building over here. Last truck pulling away right now. One long, kick-ass production day. Hertz, St. Paul, Minneapolis. These guys were incredible. Great job.